An eco-friendly guide to cleaning your kitchen. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. If you go to the supermarket and take a look at the products in the cleaning aisle, you will find plenty that deal with different chores around your home. Sometimes, trying to find the right product can be difficult, especially if you prefer to clean in a more environmentally conscious manner. For this reason, you may want to consider a method of cleaning, which many people are now taking advantage of using homemade cleaning solutions. And what better way to clean the room of your home where you cook and eat food, the kitchen? Eco-friendly cleaning of that part of your home is important. And it is great that there are so many ways that you can approach the task. The ingredients you will need for such a cleaning process are distilled white vinegar, lemons, and baking soda. Now let's see you can utilize them for various kitchen cleaning tasks. Number 1. Cleaning the oven. While it is true that cleaning the oven will take some time and elbow grease, it is always preferable to do it the eco-friendly way. Cleaning with baking soda. What you will need for this method is half a cup of baking soda, 3 tablespoons of water and some vinegar in a spray bottle. First, mix up the baking soda and water to form a paste. You will then spread it all over the interior of the oven and leave it overnight. Then, if any stains are particularly tough, you can spray some vinegar on the baking soda. Afterwards, just wipe with a damp cloth. Baking soda and vinegar paste. 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice is what you will need for this method. You can mix up the ingredients and use the mixture to clean the interior and the oven glass. Again, you will spread the mix and leave it overnight, then wipe with a damp cloth. Lemons. Another way to clean the oven is with lemons. Leave a dish with lemon juice in it and switch it on. The steam that forms will help loosen the grease and stains inside, making them very easy to wipe clean with a damp cloth. Number 2. Cleaning kitchen surfaces. There is no better way to clean kitchen surfaces than to make your own spray for this purpose. You will need vinegar, water and lemon. Strain the juice of a single lemon in a cup of water, add 1 cup of vinegar, put the mix in a spray bottle, and you're ready to use the multi-purpose spray. You can use it on cupboard doors, on the outside of appliances, and other kitchen surfaces. If there is stubborn dirt anywhere, leave the cleaner to sit for some time before wiping it off. Number 3. Cleaning the dishwasher. There are a few homemade dishwasher cleaning solutions you can try out. White vinegar. This is the simplest cleaning method. A glass of distilled white vinegar added to the top rack does wonders. Just run a full cycle on the hottest setting. Vinegar plus hydrogen peroxide plus baking soda. First, mix baking soda and hydrogen peroxide till you get a sand-like consistency. Form balls and place them in the dishwasher overnight. On the next day, fill a glass with vinegar and some dishwashing detergent and place it on the uppermost rack of the machine. Run the dishwasher on the hottest setting. You will get a nice and effective clean. Hydrogen peroxide is much more preferable than using things like bleach. It breaks down into water and oxygen, making it a top pick for your eco-friendly cleaning endeavors. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.